Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is Roy back again. Quick experiment. We're going to show a little demonstration using some vegetable oil and high voltage. And we're going to probe the oil and we're going to check to see if there's a difference between the positive and negative. If one is going to push and one is going to pull. Let's get right to it. Using 12 volts. Using 12 volts into a driver, into a flyback. Now the way I have it set up right now is this plate, there's an aluminum plate right down there. That plate has the positive coming into the plate, and I'm going to be holding this right here, and this is the negative side. So will the negative push or pull? Leave your comments. Here it goes. So let's see what happens to the oil. So the oil is concaving. So it's concave. So that means this is negative is pushing out, in a sense. And the positive underneath is pulling in. Let me switch the poles. Fire in a hole. Now this is the positive side, and the plate on the bottom is a negative. So from what we just seen on the last one, where the negative was pushing and the positive was pulling, that means this positive should pull material up to it. Oh yeah, look at that. So it's making the oil rise up. So the positive on this high voltage is has a pulling in feature, a strong pulling in feature. So it's pulling the oil up. Pulling up, and it's in a vortex. Now let's go ahead and switch them again. And let's now dip the negative into the oil as well. And now we have the negative. Oh, whoa, negative, pushing down, pushing down. Sort of attracting things to it instead of the positive was pushing it away. I mean, the positive is pulling it, and this negative is pushing. But the materials seem to be attracted. Like there's a opposite a phenomenon happening here, which is the material that was running before seems to be more controlled. Leave your comments. Who's that beeping? Who's beeping?